Robert Christopher Yacht Sales presents Sailing Yacht Seychelles. This vessel is a traditional Dutch-built two-mast topsail schooner who's been custom fitted for overnight charter operations. Faithful to her special history, the vessel preserves its rustic charm while offering comfortable accommodations and modern amenities for today's modern traveler. Her rustic wooden exterior combines with her cozy accommodations with comfortable and well-maintained wooden finishing in the cabins and main salon. She was built in Vige, Holland in 1920 and was used as a pilot vessel to guide foreign ships from Holland to France across the English Channel. After the war, in 1949, she was redesigned as a fishing boat. In 1982, she was purchased by a Dutch sailor who labored for 3 winters, stripping the vessel to her hull and carrying out a complete renovation. Upon completion, she was used as a sailing school in the English Channel and the North Sea. In 1996, she was purchased for use as a charter vessel in Seychelles. Central heating was replaced with air conditioning, and accommodations were upgraded and diving and water sports equipment were installed. Since then, she's been regularly maintained as a charter and cruise boat. Sailing Yacht Seychelles has a long and rich history of world travel and adventure. There are still many more chapters yet to be written in her log. This is your opportunity to own a traditional Dutch tall ship, two-mast topsail schooner that is ready for a multitude of uses. For a complete equipment list, additional details, or to arrange a showing, please contact Josh McLean, the listing broker, today. Don't miss this very unique opportunity.